Computer virus. The computer virus is one of the most familiar from the work of risk security. A computer virus is a program written by a hacker or a cracker designed to perform some kind of a trick upon an unexpected victim computer. In some cases, the trick performed in mild, such as drawing an offensive image on the victim's screen or changing all of the characters in the document to another language. Sometimes the trick is much more severe, such as reformatting the hard disk and easily all the data or damaging the computer motherboard so that it cannot operate properly. Types of viruses. Viruses can be categorized by their the effect and defect, which includes being a nuisance, destroying data faculties, espionage, and destroying hardware. A nuisance virus usually does not significant damage but is an inconvenience. The most difficult part of the computer to replace is the data on the hard drive. The installing program documents and database saved emails from the heart of personal computer. A data destructive virus is designed to destroy this data. Some viruses are designed to create a backdoor into a system to bypass security called espionage virus. They do not damage but allows a user to enter the system later for the purpose of stealing data or spying on the work of the competitor. Very rarely a virus is created to damage the hardware of the computer system itself, called hardware destructive virus. The bit of program can weaker or destroy chips, drivers and other components. Methods of virus operation. Virus operator and are transmitted in a variety of ways. An email virus is normally transmitted as an attachment to a message sent over the internet. Email virus requires the victim to click on the attachment which causes the virus to execute. Another common mode of virus transmission is a small subprogramming that allows the user to customize and automate certain functions. A micro virus is written for a specific program which then becomes infected when it's open a file with the virus stored in its macros. The boot section of the compact disk or a hard drive contains a variety of information including how the disk is damaged and organized, whether it is capable of loading an operating system when a disk is left in a drive and a computer reboots. The operating system automatically reads the boot section to learn about the disk to attack to start any operating system on it. A boot sector virus is designed to alter the boot section of the disk so that whenever the operating system reads the boot section, the computer will automatically become infected. Other types of viruses and methods of infecting include the Trojan horse virus, which widely hidden inside another legitimate programs or data files, and a stealth virus, which is designed to hide itself from detecting software. Polymorphic virus alter themselves to prevent detecting by the antivirus software which operates by examining familiar patterns. Polymorphic virus alters themselves randomly as they move from a computer to computer, making detection more difficult. Multi-party virus alter their form. The attacker, their name reflects their ability to attack in several different ways. They may first infect the boot sector and then later act like a Trojan horse virus by infecting a disk of files. These viruses are more sophisticated and therefore more difficult to guard against. Another type of virus in the logic bomb, which generally sits quietly dormant, waiting for a specific event or set of conditions to occur. Security risks. Although hackers crack and virus generate most attention as security risks, companies face a variety of other damages to their hardware and software systems. Principally, these risks involves type of the system failed, employees theft and hacking and cracking of software for copying. System failure, fundamental element in making sure that a computer system of software operating properly is protected the electrical power that runs them. Power interruption such as blackouts and brownouts have very adverse effects on computers. An inexpensive type of power strip called a surge protection can guard against power inflection fluctuations and can also serve as an extension cord and a splitter. A much more vigorous power protection system is an uninterrupted power supply UPS, which provides a better backup similar in nature to a power strip but much bulkier and a bit more expensive. A UPS provides a steady spine free power and keeps a computer running during a blackout. Employee, although accurate estimates are difficult to pinpoint, businesses certainly lose millions of dollars a year in stolen computers, hardware, and software. In a larger organizations. Such theft often goes unnoticed or unreported. Sometimes takes a hard drive or a scanner home for a legitimate use them, leaves the job sometimes later than and keeps the machine. Sometimes employees take components to add to their home PC systems or thefts break into business and haul away computers. As such theft thefts cost far more than the price of the stolen computers because they also involves the cost of replacing the lost data, the cost of time lost when the machine are gone, and the cost of installing the new machine and training people to use them. Cracking software for copying. A common goal of hackers is to crack a software protection scheme. A crack is a method of circumventing a security scheme that prevents a user from copying a program. A common protecting scheme for software is to require the installation CD to be resident in the drive whenever the program runs, making copies of the CD with a burner. However, easily falls this protection scheme. Some game companies are taking an extra step to make duplication difficulties by scrambling some of the data on the original CDs, which CD burners will automatically correct when copying. When the copied and corrected CD is used, the software checks for the scrambled track information. If the error is not found, the software will not run. What is antivirus? Antivirus software is a class of program designed to prevent, detect, and remove malware infections on individual computing devices, networks, and IT systems. Antivirus software is originally defined to detect and remove virus from computer, can also protect against a wide variety of threat, including other types of malicious software such as key locker, browser hijacks, Trojan horse, and ROM rootkits and spyware, adware, botnets, and ransomware. Functions of antivirus software. Antivirus software typically runs on background process scanning computer servers or mobile phones to detect and restrict the spread of malware. Many antivirus software programs includes real-time threat detection and protecting to guard against potential vulnerability as they happen, as well as system scans that monitor decide and device and system files looking for possible risks. Antivirus software usually performs this basic functionalities, scanning, detecting of specific files for non-malicious patterns, indicating the presence of malicious software, allowing user to schedule scans so they run automatically, allowing user to initiate new scans at any time, and removing any malicious software in detects. Some antivirus software programs do not automatically in background while other notify user of infections and risk them if they went to clean the files in order to scan a system's comprehensive antivirus software must generally gain privileged access to the entire system. This makes antivirus software itself a common target for hackers and researchers have discovered remote code executive and other serious vulnerabilities in antivirus software and product in recent years. Function of effective antivirus. The following functions of antivirus are to be looked for when you decide on installing one's proactive scanning for malware and deleting once detected default then protection default then protection that is implemented to prevent the entry of suspicious files by default. Auto sandbox technology, a virtual environment where suspicious and unknown files are secluded and run to check for any malicious activities without interfering with the normal opinions operations. Containment technology validates and authorizes the program that are executed and source that the possesses or runs without the affecting the regular operating system's opinions of the system host. Intrusion protection system HIPS. This feature works on the protecting under protocol based instruction preventing system that oversees all the applications and program activities that are processed in the system. The HIPs terminated any malicious activities once found this present the malware from infecting the operating system registry key or personal data or a system memory. Type of antivirus. Antivirus are also of different types based on the OS compatibility. Antivirus for Windows OS, antivirus for Linux OS, antivirus for Android OS, antivirus for Mac OS. Type of antivirus programs. Antivirus program is distributed in a number of forms, including state alone antivirus scanners and internet security suites that offer antivirus program along with a firewall, privacy control, and other security protections. Some antivirus software vendors offers basic vendors of their product at no cost. Their fee versions generally offers a basic antivirus and spyware protection, but more advanced features and protections are usually available only to spying customers. When some operating systems are targeted more frequently by virus developments, antivirus software is available for most operating systems are Windows antivirus software. Most antivirus software vendors offers several levels of Windows protections and product at a different price point, starting with the free version offering only basic protection. User must start scanning and updates manually, and typically for free version of antivirus software won't protect against to malicious websites or malicious attacks in emails. Premium version of the antivirus software offers includes suites of endpoint and security tools. They may provide a secure online storage and ads blockers and file encryptions. Since 2004, Microsoft has been offering some kind of free anti-software as a part of Windows operating system itself, generally under the name Windows Defender. Through the software was mostly limited to detecting a spyware prior to 2006. Mac OS antivirus software, although Mac OS virus exists, there is less common than a Windows virus. So antivirus protects from Mac OS are less standardized than those for Windows. There are a number of free and paid products available, providing on-demand tools to protect against potential malware theft through full system malware scans and the ability to sift through specific email threats, attachments, and virus web activities. Android antivirus software. Android is the world's most popular mobile operating systems and is installed on the more mobile devices than any other OS because most mobile malware target Android. Experts recommended all Android device users installing the antivirus software on their devices. Vendors offers a variety of basic free and paid premium vendors of their Android variety of antivirus, including the anti-theft and remote locating features. Some run automatically scans and actively try to stop malicious web pages and files from being spammed and opened or downloaded. Virus detection techniques. Antivirus software uses a variety of virus techniques. Originally, antivirus software depends on the signature based detection to flag malicious software. Antivirus program depends on the stored virus signatures, a unique string of data or characters of non-malware. The antivirus software uses the signatures to identify when it encounters a virus that has already been identified and analyzes by the security experts. Sign based malware content cannot detect a new malware, including the variety of existing malwares. As signature based detection can only detect a new viruses, and when the definition file is updated with the information about the new virus, with the number of new malware signatures increasing at around 10 million per year. As long ago as 2011, modern antivirus based solely signature based may contain hundreds of millions or even billions of entries, making antivirus software based solely on a signature impractical. However, the signature based detection does not usually produce a false positive machines. Heuristic based detection uses an algorithm to compare the signatures of non virus against potential theft. With heuristic based detections, antivirus software can detect viruses that haven't been discovered yet, as well as already existing viruses that has been distinguished or modified, released as a new virus. However, this method can also generate a false position match when the antivirus software detects a program behaving similar to a malicious program and incorrectly identifies it as a virus. Antivirus software may also use a behavior based detection to analyze an objective behavior or potential behavior for suspicious activities and infers malicious effect based on those observations. For example, code that attempts to perform unauthorized or abnormal actions would indicate the objection is malicious or at least suspicious. Some examples of behavior that potentially signal danger include a modify or deleting a large number of files, monitoring key stores, changing setting of the other programs, and remotely connecting to the computers.